Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas, potentially deadly, especially because people don't realize when they have a problem.
A lot of people, most of the time, don't even realize that they're in harm's way until the symptoms become too strong.
You know, lots of homes that we go into don't have a carbon monoxide alarm, or if there was one there, it is either expired or the batteries died.
We're called in to help when low-income families are suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning. In the work that we do for families, we're in older homes. We find a lot of problems with venting from heaters. We find a lot of furnaces that are malfunctioning and are dangerous.
There's a number of different things that we do for our clients when we arrive at their residence to do our energy audit.
When we go into homes, we're testing for ambient carbon monoxide in the home that might be produced from an oven or a gas dryer or the heating system. And then we'll also test those appliances when they're functioning to make sure that the carbon monoxide that they naturally produce doesn't enter into the home.
We're able to find and correct the problem.